Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. On the 16th of January 2018, YouTube announced a change in channel requirements for monetizing content. Previously, your channel simply needed 10,000 views, but now the rules have become a lot stricter. In a nutshell, your channel will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over a 12-month period to be eligible. That works out at 240,000 minutes a year, 20,000 minutes a month. To check this on your channel, go to your YouTube analytics and change the date range to the last 365 days. Those channels previously eligible for monetization have a grace period up until the 20th of February 2018 to reach these milestones before their content will be demonetized. Any money earned up to that point will be paid out through the standard AdSense policy. YouTube state that 99% of channels affected make less than $100 a year, with 90% of those channels earning less than $2.50 in the last month. Have you been affected?